Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Abhijit. Today I am going to draw freehand outline of Dhanush with the using of my pentel pencil. So don't skip the video, watch till the end. Let's jump into the paper. Friends, as you can see here, at first I am taking a measurement of this paper. Next I give a center line of the portrait. As you can see here, I want to duplicate the angle of the sunglass. Now I draw the outline of the glass. Outlining the nose by taking a map from the position of the glass and try to copy as it is shown on the picture. Now I draw a moustache part by taking a map from the position of the nose. Now I draw the lips part. Now I draw the forehead part by taking a map from the nose and I draw the face outline. Now I draw the eye part and try to copy as it is shown on the picture. Now I draw the teeth part. Now I draw beard outline as it is shown on the picture. And try to copy whole thing as it is shown on the picture. Now I draw the hand. Now I draw the shirt part. Friends, as you can see here, Dhanush outline was ready for shading. I hope this outline tutorial video will be help you to draw freehand outline. Friends, I hope you like my drawing. If you like my drawing, then hit the like button and share with your friends. And those who are new, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my latest update.